Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the setting needs your review problem on Instagram. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen, and now long tap your Instagram app and tap on I button or app info. Scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on force stops. Okay, again tap on permission option and first calendar allow back, second call logs allow back, camera allow only while using the app. Okay, back, and contacts and accounts allow back, location allow back, microphone allow, nearby devices allow, notifications turn on notifications. Okay, back, phone allow back, photos and videos allow back. Okay, back to home screen, and now restart your phone and reopen it again on your phone. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now open your Instagram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Okay, thank you.